Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is Tuesday's market, March 16th, and this is the T2 screen that I had mentioned yesterday in my blog. I was going to show you just the screen on how I set up my chart. This is the actual time frame that I use on the small screen. I have usually two main screens. Won't go into it, but this is the smaller time frame that I use exactly. And you can see the color change identified by these crossovers here as well. We're just talking about indicators, and there's definitely more to the trading method than just following the indicators. But if you did follow just the indicators, this can be an excellent roadmap to keep you straight. If you feel, well, if sometimes traders get tempted to deviate from good price action, this is one way to help keep you in the right direction. So this is a signal line short. The bars, when they're in between the green and the red in here, they're basically a gray or a white, something like that color. But once they cross over into this 50 below, 50 above, then those are the signal lines, and the bar will turn green. And it's matching up above because there are two different things going on, and that's just one of the things that I have and how to better visually see what's going on in the price action. Now, we always teach and try to explain good price structure and good price action and how to trade accordingly. But the indicators is what we're talking about, and this is just a tool that you can use to help you time the market. So you can see here this morning, just after the open, right in here would be you could say it's a turning point. Turning point short is several points. The turning point long, it's identified here, several points. Here you have an add-on, and you get an add-on once there's certain conditions. I can't go into the details of the conditions, but when certain conditions, and it's pretty simple, move down and then re-emerge back up across the 50, that can be an add-on position. So here's an add-on. Here it moved down and moved back up. There's an add-on, and this was pretty close in here as well. There's one down here, and there's an add-on. So you have three add-ons after the initial. So this is helping you identify a trending market, and there's additional entries to get in on the way. Here is a turning point short is identified by here. Over here, this could have been your out. It was pretty close in here. And even if you did take this short, 4 or 5 tick stop could have probably weathered this in here, but actually method rules would really probably have you take this trade short right here. Splitting hairs here, but short here, add-on. You can see that's right here as it pulled back up and down, so this is an excellent add-on. You'll notice that this indicator is actually very timely. Most indicators are lagging behind the price. As it dropped back, there's an add-on, there's a turning point. This is not really a lagging indicator, and that's one of the reasons why I like it, and it's helpful for the people that follow me and follow my method. So here again, another turning point and the add-on. You can see here as it dropped below and back up. Right here, you can see how timely that is. It's exactly right where it should be if you're following price action. But this indicator will help you identify when and if you should be adding on into a position. Anyway, not that many turns today, but you can see a pretty typical day, even with the Fed doing their thing, leaving rates unchanged. But those are the turns, and really not that hard to follow if you're just following the indicators themselves. Now, I can show you yesterday's and be the same. In fact, I'll just go back and show you that really quick, what yesterday's looks like. There's the open. Here's long yesterday. Here's a small little burst. This could have been skipped, but this was an excellent short right here. There's an add-on right here. Here's a turning point here. There's an add-on. There's another add-on right here, right in here. I don't have those marked. Turning point short, turning point long. Even in here there's a point, and if you're scaling out at a point and letting the other half run or adding on, then there's plenty of opportunity in there, you can see. So that's pretty much it. Pretty consistent, pretty easy to follow, just the indicators. That's it, Vince at Sniper Day Trading.